Hello, I'm Mr. Smith, and together we're going to practice counting forward from 0 to 10 and back again. Counting is really important. Once you've mastered it, you'll be able to tackle other super fun things in maths like adding and subtracting. When we count to 10, we are saying consecutive numbers. That means numbers that are next to each other. Let's count to 10 together, starting from 0. Are you ready? Excellent. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now let's count back from 10 all the way to 0. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Fantastic! I knew I could count on you. We started counting from 0. 0 is a number that tells you that there is nothing. There were no counters in the chart, so we say there were 0 counters. We don't always have to start counting from 0 though. You can start from any number. What numbers would follow after 7 if we started counting from there? Say it with me. 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. What if we counted backwards from 3? Say it with me again. You could even show the numbers on your fingers. 3, 2, 1, 0. A number line is a good way to see the order of numbers to 10. The numbers get bigger when you move to the right. If you go to the left, the numbers get smaller. I think you're ready to put your number knowledge to the test. Counting experts, I need your help. Some of my numbers have gone missing. They've disappeared from my number lines. Oh, please, will you help me find out which numbers are missing? Oh, thank you. When you've worked out which number has disappeared, you can either say it out loud or show me the number using your fingers. Are you ready? Come on, let's do it, team. Here's the first number line. I have the numbers 3, 4, a missing number, and 6. Which number is missing? That's right, it's the number 5. The next line has numbers going backwards. There's 7, a missing number, 5, and 4. Do you know which one is missing? You are a genius, that's right, it's the number 6. Last one, this one is counting forwards again. But this time there are 2 missing numbers. There's a missing number, then 2, 3, and another missing number. Let's start with that first missing number. Can you show or tell me which number is missing? The number 1! Yep, that's right. And finally, the last number. I didn't quite hear you. Yes, well done, the number 4. The task of being a counting expert, well, it's far from over. Why don't you find some objects at home that you could count? Or why don't you see if you can spot 10 flowers in your local area?